I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a reliable backup. Do this now so you can undo mistakes. Navigate to Minecraft/saves or your server directory and copy the entire world folder. Once done, compress that copy with a clear name and date so you can restore quickly. Next, record mods, data packs, and your current game version. This prevents incompatibilities. You'll need those details for later merges or conversions, so don't skip this step. Stop and verify the backup exists before moving on. You now update the client or server to the version you want the world on. Ensure you choose Release versus Snapshot intentionally. Once the software is updated, run conversion tools such as Anvil converters or data pack update scripts to migrate region and entity formats. After conversions finish, load the copied world locally and walk key areas. Look for chunk errors, missing blocks, or broken redstone. If mods are involved, install compatible versions and repeat the test until the world behaves like you're at the finish line. Deploy the updated world to your live server or distribute it to players, but do this with backups enabled and a temporary maintenance message. Once online, monitor logs and player reports closely. Watch for null entities, missing block ID, or plugin errors. If you hit problems, revert to the dated backup immediately and compare versions or mods to find the mismatch. Remember one troubleshooting tip. Missing blocks usually mean a mod or resource pack mismatch, so check those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.